Juan, last name Escobar, Escobar. I'm an officer, I'm the public information officer with the California Highway Patrol in Oceanside area.
And if you can tell us our location and what happened here today.
So currently we're on the I-5 northbound north of Las Pulgas Road. And today at about approximately 4 p.m. there's an adult male riding a Yamaha motorcycle that was traveling northbound 5 north of Las Pulgas. For reasons that are still under investigation, allowed the motorcycle to veer to the left, off the roadway, impacted onto the metal fencing behind us. Fire department responded to the scene, as well as the United States Marine Corps Police Department, and the adult rider was pronounced deceased at the scene.
And so agencies on this were Camp Pendleton Fire, and then CHP and Marine Corps Police.
And you got the Marine Corps Marshals, yes.
And as well as the medical examiner.
Exactly.
And were there any other vehicles involved that you know of at this point?
At this point, that's all the information that we have. We are asking if there are any witnesses to this collision to please contact us at the CHP Oceanside area office.
Do you know of any witnesses at this time?
At this point right now, it's still currently under investigation.
Do you have it's a male for the motorcyclist?
Yes, it's an adult male.
Do you know the approximate age?
Unfortunately now, I don't have that information available.
And it was a Yamaha motorcycle?
It's a Yamaha motorcycle.
This was at approximately what time again?
Approximately 4:01, roughly, 4 o'clock.
And if you could comment on the traffic impacts, the 1 and 2 lanes are closed, as well as the response from Caltrans?
Yeah, so currently right now we have the number 1, so the far left 2 lanes. So the number 1 and the number 2 lanes are currently blocked off for the investigation.
And how long do you think that'll last?
Right now, it's going to be probably from the time that we started, probably just a little over 6 hours approximately.
Okay, thank you very much.